Jagdish Naik's journey is a powerful reminder that building a successful business doesn't always require a grand vision or a groundbreaking idea. Instead, it's the qualities within a person, honed by life circumstances, that drive success. His story shows that tough times are not to be feared but embraced, as they can forge the strength needed to achieve great things. Jagdish grew up in the modest suburb of Versova, Kolivada in Mumbai, where his early life was far from easy. Living in a cramped 100 square foot house without even basic amenities, and with a father whose income from the film industry was unstable, Jagdish's family struggled. His mother took on odd jobs like tailoring to make ends meet, but it was in these tough circumstances that Jagdish developed the determination that would guide him throughout his life. Concerned about the environment in Versova, which was notorious for antisocial activities, Jagdish's mother was determined to move her family to a safer place.
In those days, Versova was a peak of antisocial elements, smuggling and all those things. Due to and no proper surroundings, my mother brought us to Vashi for proper education and away from the social elements, antisocial elements.
They got a lucky break when she was allotted a flat in a Sidco housing project in Vashi, Navi Mumbai, with a deposit of just Rs 3,000. Jagdish's family continued to face hardships. To support them, he and his brother took on various jobs while pursuing their education. Jagdish himself delivered milk and newspapers in the mornings, showing remarkable persistence and resilience. Although he aspired to a career in medicine, he faced the harsh reality of limited opportunities. But instead of running away from these challenges, Jagdish adapted. He took a job at Shah Clinical Laboratories, where he earned just Rs 600 a month. During this time, he built a solid foundation of knowledge and experience that would later serve him well.
After giving a report, मैं अपने जो उधर के उस टाइम के जो कंसल्टेंट थे उनसे मैं बात करता था. अब ये पेशेंट का हिस्ट्री इज दिस, गिविंग दिस मेडिसिन. That has helped me a lot over a period, and I've learned a lot from those consultants those days.
His decision to start his own business wasn't driven by a grand idea, but by a moment of self-confidence and the realization that he needed to take control of his own destiny. After a disagreement with his boss, who was concerned about not coming to the office before 8 am, Jagdish didn't give up. Instead, he embraced the challenge, raised funds with the help of his mother's reputation, and in 1990, at the age of 23, he set up his first clinical laboratory in Airoli. Jagdish's success didn't happen overnight. It was the result of years of hard work, resourcefulness, and an unwavering focus on his strengths. He spent countless evenings building relationships with doctors, slowly growing his business through sheer effort and determination. Within 2 years, he had achieved a stable income and bought a house, an incredible feat for someone who had started with nothing. His marriage to Jyoti, who came from a similar background, provided further support and played a crucial role in his growth. However, the journey was not without its missteps. In 2004, driven by ambition and perhaps overconfidence, Jagdish ventured into the unrelated milk parlour business. The decision proved costly, leading to severe financial losses and nearly derailing his primary business.
I made a biggest gamble of my life by hiring 250 cows, 40 buffaloes, putting a milking parlor. 2004 से 2008 I remember, जितना मैंने पैसा कमाया था, came back to square one. पर एक दिन वो मालूम पड़ा कि जिस चीज में तुमको आता नहीं उसमें मत करो. वो होता ना, इजी मनी चाहिए था. बोला मैं इन्वेस्ट करूंगा, दूसरा संभालेगा, मेरे को उसका प्रॉफिट में से 10-20% देगा. पर ये ऐसा होता नहीं. You have to get involved in anything whichever you do.
But instead of being defeated, Jagdish took responsibility for his mistake. He refocused on his strengths, his original business, and over the next 6 years, worked tirelessly to clear his debts and rebuild his company. Jagdish learned that building a business takes time and that there are no shortcuts to success. His experience taught him that tough times can be the greatest teachers and that running away from challenges only delays growth. He realized that his nature might not suit every venture, but by focusing on his strengths, he could achieve remarkable results. In 2014, with a renewed sense of caution and focus, Jagdish embarked on a rebranding exercise. His goal was not to chase after a grand vision, but to steadily improve his business one step at a time. By 2024, Jagdish's company was listed on the BSE SME, a testament to his journey of resilience, responsibility, and relentless focus on what he did best.
By God grace and everything all came together, and I listed my company on 1st August. I was oversubscribed 36 times. It's very happy because all my friends, all my DLL members, everyone did a subscription, so I'm happy that I was got subscribed 36 times. And till 2024, whatever I was doing for only for myself and my family and for my employees. Now I have decided that whatever the wealth the CTL is going to commit and going to generate, it's going to be for myself and my CTL family.
Now, with over 20 centers, Jagdish has his eyes set on further expanding his network, bringing in more talent, focusing on wellness, and investing in the latest technologies.
I go for a new technology, whatever newer technology comes, I bring that in my place. And मेरे पास कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट 5 साल के ऊपर रहता नहीं, तो newer technology, newer workforce, newer ideas, I implement, I grow.
His aim is to create wealth for his investors and continue building on the solid foundation he has laid. One quality that stands out in Jagdish's journey is his unwavering focus. Once he sets his eyes on a milestone, he will not stop until he reaches it. Jagdish's story is a powerful lesson that success isn't about having a big idea. It's about enduring the tough times, taking responsibility for your actions, and steadily building on your strengths. In the end, it's the qualities of determination, self-confidence, resilience, and persistence that turns dreams into reality, proving that true success is earned over time, one step at a time.